All right, who wants to pop some pimples? But, you know, without scarring. Hey, rich girl, leave some zits for the rest of us. Careful! Oh, you got a snitch right there. Who knows? Maybe it's good for the skin. Oh, that was rude. Okay, we'll just make our own. Just take some slime and wrap it up. Now we'll need a base. Get your glue gun ready. It's like an egg white, so just add the yolk. Ooh, it's all nice and squishy. But what's a phone cover without a phone? Now that's multitasking. Have you ever seen a slug go so fast? Come on, it takes two to tango. Let's dance. Is she looking for some real slugs? Why not try this instead? Roll up some tissue paper. Use your favorite markers and draw out a pattern. Spots included. Look, it's now a little caterpillar. Just add a stick and it can move. These roly-poly frogs are always in the mood to dance. The gang's all here. The party never ends when you can't fall down. Well, we can play with the balloon. Just remember to tie it. Here's a better idea. Grab some water beads. The fish will never miss them. Fill up the balloon. Make sure it's safely tucked inside. Now blow it up. And this is important, tie it up too. It's got the wobble, but let's customize it. It's a lamb, and the gang's all here. Come on, you guys, it's time to boogie down. Yeah! How cute. These baby dinos are just ready to greet you. Think they're hungry? Give them a snack. Good catch. And they're just great for confetti. Gesundheit. Oh, look at that. A free toilet paper roll. Just add some color and a balloon inside. Let's draw a face on it while we're at it. How about some whiskers? Ah, it's a cute pink bunny. She's so happy to meet you, she'll practically burst. Wow, a unicorn, and it's so fluffy! Anyone else want to take a look inside? After all, you never know when there's a prize inside. Congratulations! It's a Huggy Wuggy! Wow. Gonna guess he takes after his father. But in our next corner, we've got shaving cream. And that's not all. Pour on that glue. A little food coloring won't hurt. And some hand soap. Mix it all together. Now it's time to really get your hands in. Almost forgot the best part, the prize inside. Come on, we've got enough slime for the whole toy box. So many Pop-It toys. Just look at the bottom one. Wow, it looks really squishy. Want to share? Excuse us, Huggy Wuggy. We've got work to do. Lay down some cardboard. Cue the gold carpet. Now it's time to carve out some holes in a row. We'll need some circles next. Slice around the middle. Fold until they're conical. Place them on top of the holes. Why not make it a pineapple while we're at it? Now push those buttons and pop them back. A squeeze ball. Just look at how it oozes. And that's before we cut into it. Come on, trash bin. What do you got? Wow, slime filled with tiny rubber ducks. We just need the ducks. Into the balloon it goes. Of course, everything's better with glitter. And some clear toothpaste has the right texture. Now, how do we make this extra squeezy? Add something tight with holes, like a sock. Look at all that glitter. Ooh, a duck. Talk about fashion with function. The earring has buttons all ready for popping. And she's got one for each ear, too. Oh, this old gum packet can be just what we need. It was practically made to be an ear of corn. Now remember, everything's better with googly eyes. I mean, if corn can have ears, why not eyes? But more importantly, corn was made to be popped. What cute drinks! And so squishy. I think that last one's real. Maybe we could put this straw to better use. After all, waste not, want not. Fill a plastic bag with hand soap. Throw in some balls while we're at it. A cover should help too. Add a face, something a little anime-esque. Don't forget the straw. Now start squishing. The only thing better is if you could actually drink it too. Wow, cool stuff, right? I've heard of having a silver spoon in your mouth. Just look at that golden snitch spin. Wow, a dollar sign? Eagle wings? A star? With fidget spinners, this girl likes a little sparkle.
Wow! Ew!
Hey, be careful. Oh, we could have played with that. But maybe we can. Press it into some molding material. Take it out, leaving just the middle inside. Fill the imprint with some resin. Before it dries, why not add some glitter? Now we've got a custom-made fidget spinner. And it's just as sparkly, if not more so. Oh, is it lunchtime already? Careful, bananas aren't so tough. But this one is. It's a squeeze ball. Look at that stretch. But even it has its limits. Still, no reason to let good water beads go to waste. This empty bottle's the perfect place for them. Just add soda. Close it tight and start squeezing. Just remember though, everything has its limits. Now, I've heard of wiener dogs, but that's practically a foot long. And it looks like she's got the pack. Now let's play with the unicorns. Pretty soon they'll be a pretzel. Got anything in the wastebasket? It looks like some paper streamers. Take 2 and fold them together into a square. Add a face. How about a kitty? We'll need some eyes. It's not a mole after all. Some paws will help too. We've got a bouncing bunch, a cat and dog. These pimples need a good popping and maybe a dusting. Note to self, next time wear goggles or a face shield. Of course, the real poppin' fun's inside the box. Is that yarn? How did you get yarn stuck in your pore? You skipped breakfast again, didn't you? This looks like a big job. Please don't put it in your mouth. Well, that's mildly better. Let's beat her at her own game with our own poppin' fun. Take some goop, like paint or slime, and add it inside this bubble wrap. Add some paint for redness and maybe a whitehead. You'll finally be happy to get a whole bunch of zits. Especially since they're not on your face. Well, kinda depends on your aiming. Ooh, a burger toy! So cute you almost want to eat it! Also comes in beverage form. And, oh wait, that's real. I said it's real! Well, I guess you can still eat it. But we don't need something special to squeeze. This sponge is great for squishing. Cleaning too. But sponges can still be cute. Just add a few touches. Can't go wrong with googly eyes. This little piggy's in for a fun time. Why not make a whole porcine family? You don't get much happier than a mouse in cheese. And this mouse is ready for trick-or-treating. Well, a little more trick than treating. Hey, you never know when you'll fall into a good idea. Take a glove and a cup, and make that an empty cup. Wrap the glove around the rim from the inside out. Add a straw, and you can blow up a big surprise, like a big blue bunny. Oh, peanuts. Wait, this peanut's kinda sus. Oh, it's a fidget toy with a surprise inside. Maybe we can make our own. Waste not, want not. Just draw a face on a balloon. Let a little air out. Give it a twin and maybe a paper shell. All that's left is to give it a good squeeze. A stress ball? It squeezes so hard it changes color. Hey, where did she get those scissors? Ooh, foamy! Which to her is just more ammo. Hey, be nice. Maybe she can whip something up with her chemistry set. This gel-filled glove's just perfect for milking practice. Oh, so that's where she keeps getting toys from. You go, Speed Racer. Maybe move around the fishbowl. Better yet, let's ditch the fish and burn some rubber. It just keeps going and going. Yeah, that's enough of that. Just remember to watch where you're going. Don't worry, we can make our own set of wheels. Just tape 2 bottle caps together with a rubber band. Add to the rim of a paper cup. Now go for a spin. Flip the cup over and decorate it. Look, we've made a bunny. and it's hopping down the bunny trail.